Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the eToro application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, if you wish to install the application on your device, you will need to open the iOS App Store. Once you open up the iOS App Store, go ahead and tap on the search box and simply type in eToro and start your search. Once you find the eToro application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the eToro application on your smartphone right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when the installation is done, you will see the open button that you can tap on in order to open up the app. Now, once the application is opened up, you can proceed with logging into your account or signing up to create a new account to immediately start opening the app and use it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the eToro application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.